What's up folks, this is Ryan and today we're gonna do some PCB Etching. There are a lot of ways to do this. You could print the layout through the laser printer or using a CNC machines, but for now we're gonna use the manual thing to do it using marker, color, and a masking tape. Here we are folks, let's start the PCB etching. What we need is a PCB, a marker, permanent marker, one cutter, sharp, and a ball pen, some steel cleaner like Scotch Brite, ferric chloride, masking tape, a ruler, and layout, especially the layout. Now we're on the part that we will transfer the layout through the PCB, but before we're gonna do that, we're gonna clean the PCB using Scotch Brite. Just wipe like that and put a masking tape using this masking tape and cover the copper part of the PCB. And after doing that, this will be the result. See, as you can see here that the copper part has been covered by a masking tape, and it's time for us to transfer the design through the PCB using our pen and the ruler. Of course, the ruler. Just draw the schematics as what it is through the masking tape that covered the copper part of the PCB. After drawing the complete schematics through the masking tape of our PCB using the ball pen, as you can see, those are the black lines here. We will cut it using our cutter, because we will expose the copper part of the PCB. Now let's start cutting the masking tape that covered the copper part of the PCB. Just trace the black line using this cutter. Note, be careful because the cutter is sharp. You don't like to get bleed. After cutting all the black line using this cutter, we will coat the exposed part of this PCB using this permanent marker. Just trace the copper part of this PCB just like this. Just shade it, and all the lines in it, cover all those. Now we've done tracing all the exposed copper part of this PCB using this marker. It's time for us to fill up this excess masking tape of this PCB. After peeling off all those masking tape, it's time for us to etch the board using this ferric chloride. This is a ferric chloride, and I forgot to mention we will use a container, a plastic container, especially that disposable one, so it's dirty, and protected gears like gloves, mask, because ferric chloride smells like shits. Yeah, pour some ferric chloride to the container, like a right amount that we could dip the PCB. And after that, just dip the PCB board and shake the container. Shake it, shake it. After thoroughly shaking it for a minute, the exposed copper has been etched, and the remaining one are those covered by the black line using those marker. And we will clean it using steel cleaner, some sort of Scotch Brite. Remember that Scotch Brite? Yeah, just scratch that using that Scotch Brite to expose the copper, of course. Just thoroughly scratch it, and like you have an itch, because we're itching. After cleaning it using a Scotch Brite, all the remaining copper is now exposed. And yeah, that's the end. We're done. It's easy, I guess. Perhaps. Somehow. Just enjoy learning. Peace out, folks.